Once upon a time, in the beautiful kingdom of Yangdon, nakatira ang royal family.
It will be happier and happier, and no one can take that happiness away from us.
At si Behati gagawin ang lahat para makuha ang trono para sa anak na si Zhao.
We've been practicing that over and over. I want you to be the next king.
I've been waiting for you.
Look, it looks like heaven is agreeing with our plans.
Unfortunately, may mangyayaring tragedy.
Isabel! Maria!
Look for them. Do everything that you can in order to find them.
What happened?
It is done, as agreed.
Why is the child here?
Is it that you wanted to go back home to your country? You will bring this child with you, and you will make sure that this child will never return.
Dito lalaki si Mikay.
Maria, Micaela, magkinang. Pasado ka!
Kasama ang kanyang best friend na si Kiko.
Ang cute-cute talaga ng best friend ko.
At ang bad boy na si Gino. Dahil sa swerte,
Nahihirapan di ka tinatay! Flip the Yangdon!
mapupunta siya sa beautiful kingdom of Yangdon, kung saan she will meet Zhao.
Can you take a picture of me? Ano ba naman to? Hindi naman kita. Sir, one last picture. I'll do my signature pose. Ang sungit. Akala ko pa naman dito yung pinakamababait na tao sa mundo. The Yangdonese artists are really good, no? This looks like you. Magkamukha nga kayo eh. Perfect yan. Bili mo na yan, ha?
Really?
The Prince Charming in disguise.
Pogi-pogi sana na to eh. Kaya lang, ang pait-pait ng ugali. Hindi ka ba may in love sa isang prinsipe?
In the tradition of giving world-class dramas, inihahandog ng ABS-CBN ang isang majestic and grand teleserye fit for a royalty.
Why are you smiling?
Because I'm in a beautiful place.
Catherine Bernardo, Daniel Padilla, Khalil Ramos, at Enrique Hill, at sina Albert Martinez at Gretchen Barreto sa paghahanap ng kanyang true identity.
I'm sorry po, I didn't see you.
Get out of my way. I will do everything in my power for you to succeed.
Matagpuan din kaya niya ang hinahanap niyang happy ending?
I'm sorry, sir.
What's your name?
Mikay, sir. King.
Get out of my dreams, or I'll turn your life into a nightmare.
Princess and I, sa direksyon ni Dado Lumibaw. Kokoronahan na ngayong April 16 sa Prime Time